Hello, my glamorous love bugs. It's me, Gigi, and that's right, I'm back. It has been a lot longer than I anticipated being away from you, but I am back. We are going to paint all the nails that beautiful creamy color, and then I'm going to come in with I think this is Mifa. I'm pretty sure this is Mifa Perfect 20 set. And we're just going to make some splotches, some little painty splotches. There you go. And I'm going to use like 5 different colors. It'll all be listed below. So while I splodge up these nails, there's a big whole reason why I didn't come back right away. Couple actually reasons that all just break down to I just couldn't do it, you guys. When I moved, it was the middle of July. It was so hot. Oh my God, me and my daughters and the grandkids, excuse my throat. It was horrible. It was just awful. And I was already struggling with my breathing and stuff. Allergies had really aggravated my asthma. And so the move made it even worse, and then I had to get in to see the doctor, and it took a while for the medicine to make me better. So moving really, between the allergies and the moving, it really knocked my feet out from underneath me, and I just couldn't manage. I just couldn't do it. So after all the splodges, I'm going to come in and do a nice juicy base coat on all of this so that we have a smooth surface to work with on our next layer of goodness. As this is a very layered set, and in the end, I think it all works out beautifully. I could see this almost as fabric that you made a pretty dress or a really flowy pair of pants out of. You'll see, we'll get there. So anyway, it knocked my feet out from underneath me, and I literally I couldn't think. I couldn't function. It took me forever to get my apartment in shape. It's still not even 100%. There's a few things that need to happen. So that was transfer foil gel, and now I'm just taking some pretty flowers, okay? And we are going to start layering some different looks on there. The flowers, and then also these, they kind of remind me, I think they're supposed to represent like stamps in your passport book. So that's where the theme of this set sort of solidifies. This set came out exactly as I pictured it in my head. I had a thought of late summer flowers, beautiful travel inspired passport stamps, and I just think of this as a transition look from summer to fall, and like a late summer early fall vacation. So that's the whole inspiration for this set, and I think it really does read that way. Now it is going to take 2 layers of the transfer foil gel to get all the different layers of things on there that I want, and there is a lot of transfer foil images on here, and I didn't show you every single one I put on, but I think you get the point. So after that second bit, now this is the Rosalind transfer foil gel, and I have figured out the knack for using this, at least for my lamp and my situation. 2 minutes of a cure, 2 full minutes, and then at least 2 minutes sitting before you try to put any transfers on it, because otherwise it just doesn't have the stickiness. But after you do that, it is so sticky, it picks up everything. So if you have struggled with that brand at all, give that a try. It might be the ticket to success for you. So we're just going to keep layering here until we get to a place where I'm super happy with the flowers and the stamps, the passport stamps. So anyway, guys, my breathing's back to normal. I'm feeling much, much better. I'm back to being able to walk 3+ miles a day if I feel like it, at least 2 every day. And because I don't have a car, I end up walking a lot for like stores and things and taking the bus. So I end up, like the other day, I did over 4 miles and it didn't wear me out at all. I felt really strong and good. I'm back to doing my yoga. I've started my meditation again, and I feel like I'm getting back up on my feet. So this was Top Coat, and here is our finished set. I am in love with these. I think they came out exactly how I wanted them to. And I do feel like they're a perfect transition from late summer into fall. You have beautiful colors, but the background's a little muted. Beautiful flowers, and you would get flowers at the very end of the summer. And just those passport stamps bring the feeling and element of travel. So you let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Would you wear them? Is this in your wheelhouse? Let me know. Guys, thank you so much for coming by today. Thank you for your patience for this video. We're gonna see you for lots more stuff. And if you haven't already, please click subscribe so we can get to that 500 subscriber giveaway. Mwah! Bye-bye.